Okay, now, need a word of the day. I'm interviewing.
Welcome back, and welcome to my ghetto studio here in the back of my toy hauler. Got two hard lights. Look at the shadows behind me. So last video I said I was starting ACs, and today is Wednesday, and we have been starting ACs. They start out the week talking about Coleman air conditioners. We did some labs on Monday, and then some more labs on Tuesday. And then today we came in this morning and had 10 air conditioners all spread out, and each one had a problem that you would see in the real world. And we got to go around and wrote down what we found at each one, what the problem was, and got to sit there and just troubleshoot. Learned a ton that way. Just like the refrigerators, the more you do it, the quicker you learn. It's starting to click. Coleman stuff, I think we're done with for the most part. We are now going to be or this afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, after doing all the labs, we started on Dometics, talking about Dometic RV air conditioners. Dometic, I tell you what, if you're ever gonna shop for an RV, get one with a frickin' Coleman on it, man. Not that Dometic's horrible, just the way they do some stuff. All right, anyway, so again, learning is happening. Learning is happening. And it's all clicking. The more I get hands-on, the more it's all fitting together. RV air conditioners are a lot more complicated than the refrigerators were. But once you drill down into them, they generally all have the same parts anyway. And ask me how I know that if you don't reconnect a compressor, the wires to the compressor, and then you start it up, not realizing the wires aren't connected to the compressor, and then one of those wires happens to hit or touch the case, the metal case of the compressor at 120 volts, things might short out, trip all the breakers, cause a big old spark, and maybe even send an ember flying across the floor to dance a little bit. I'm not saying it was me, but yeah, so it was fun. Nobody died. That person may have been laughed at a lot. All right, we're not going to talk about that anymore. Friday, we're going to do the same thing with the Dometic air conditioners, where there's going to be 10 of them all lined up, and you walk around and you troubleshoot each one and find out what the problem was. It's cool the way they did this. I'm looking forward to doing the Dometics as well, because that's just the best way to learn, is getting in there and troubleshooting and doing things wrong. Not that you want to cause sparks and get laughed at, but it's all clicking. I'm getting it. It's just, there's more to know. Seriously, the instructors here are great. The TAs here are great. I mean, if you have questions, man, they're right there to help you. No hesitation, and they try and walk you through it, help you figure it out, not just give you the answer. So I'll give you my final thoughts this weekend, obviously. That'll probably be when my next video comes out. Loving the class. So far, it's 100% worth it. I'm looking forward to the rest of this week. Tomorrow's Thursday, and we have Friday. Besides that, oh, yeah, Todd came up today, and he needed a word of the day because he was going to go be interviewed by Matt from Matt's RV Reviews. And so he needed a word of the day. So he came up, and I gave him his word of the day.
Okay, need a word of the day. I'm interviewing Matt, or he's interviewing me, and he seems pretty cool, really funny, so I need some type of word that I need to slip into conversation. Actually, give me the word that I'm going to get him to slip in.
Mallet.
Mallet?
Mallet.
The hammer.
The hammer.
Got it.
All right.
Mallet.
Mallet.
Okay.
We're starting in 3, 2, 1.
He's pretty funny, dude. He was here today. I didn't get to talk to him much. I was in class, but he was filming some stuff. Get Matt to sign my boobs. Be like, hey, can you sign my boobs? I can't put that in a video, can I? You guys have boobs. I can't believe I just said that.